Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update not appearing in Windows 11 settings. So to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, open Notepad. Now copy and paste this code. I will give a link for this code. So copy and paste. Now here, click on File, click on Save As, give any name, .bat. Make sure you type this last one, BAT. Then select desktop and save it. Now open your desktop. So we have this file, right click on it and run as administrator. Now wait for few seconds. As we can see, this process is running. Now press any key. Now once this complete, close it and restart your system. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy method we can fix and resolve Windows Update problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.